trust your instinct. An Eagle King's Prime Minister was a parrot. One day, the parrot was late for work. The eagle asked him, "What is the matter?" The parrot replied, "A hunter has set up a net near my nest. Already, a crane and his family have been trapped in the net. I am thinking of making a new nest farther away. But if I do that, I will have to resign as Prime Minister as I cannot fly so far every day." The eagle did not want to lose a good Prime Minister, so he suggested, "You should just be a little careful. I am sure nothing will happen." The parrot agreed. However, the very next day, he almost got caught in the hunter's net. He thought, "I should have trusted my own instinct. By doing what the eagle asked me to do, I almost lost my life." Then the parrot left and built a new nest far away. The impulsive hare. Once the moon called on her friend, the spider, and said, "The animals of the earth are scared. Please tell them that they need not be afraid of dying." The spider slowly made his way to the earth. He met a hare on the way who said, "Oh spider, you are too slow. Tell me the moon's message and I'll take it to the earth faster." The spider started. "The moon wants the animals of the earth to know that they will all die." The hare did not wait to hear the rest and said, "All right, I have to tell the animals of the earth that they will all die." He ran towards the earth. The spider told the moon what had happened. The moon was very angry with the hare for giving the wrong message. When the hare came back, the moon hit him on the nose. That is why, to this day, the hare has a split lip. The hunter and the turtle. Long ago, turtles used to live both on land and in water. A hunter once caught a turtle. He took the turtle home and asked his wife to cook him for dinner. The turtle said, "You cannot cook me unless you take me out of my shell, and the shell is the hardest part of my body." The hunter said, "We will break your shell with sticks." The clever turtle said, "That will not help at all. Why don't you dip me into the sea and loosen up the shell instead?" The hunter and his wife took the turtle to the sea. They threw him into the water and waited. However, the turtle swam away and shocked both of them. The turtle teasingly said, "I fooled both of you. I can actually swim very well in the water. I think I will spend the rest of my life in water, safe from hunters." The kind birch tree. A deer and a doe were looking for a place to build their house. They requested a beech tree. "Can we build a house under your branches? I will soon give birth to a fawn." The beech tree said, "But my fruits may fall on your fawn and hurt it." They then went to a walnut tree and asked for his help. The walnut tree said, "No, my nuts will hurt your fawn." Just then they saw a fir tree and asked for his permission. The fir tree said, "My cones may injure your fawn, so you had better look for a safer place." They finally went to a birch tree and made the same request. The kind birch tree said, "Of course, you can build a house here. My branches will protect your fawn from the sun, rain, and wind." The deer and the doe thanked the birch tree and built their house there. They soon became the proud parents of a beautiful fawn.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, Subscribe to Sahil Book House.